This demonstration video is based on the steps described in CPSC's Standard Operating Procedure for calculating the flux index of small rare earth magnets. This video will demonstrate how CPSC staff measures the flux density of spherical magnets. CPSC staff setup uses an F71 Teslameter and an FP2X250ZS15 probe mounted to the test stand. Step 1. Place the spherical magnet on a metal plate to ensure vertical pole orientation. Step 2. Carefully use the metal plate to place the spherical magnet on the double-sided tape on the test stand. Step 3. Using a magnetic field viewer card, verify the pole is vertically oriented and the magnet has not shifted. Step 4. Using a feeler gauge, lower the probe to hover just above the magnet. Step 5. Adjust the magnet's position under the probe by turning the knobs on the XY axis table to locate the highest flux density reading in the Z axis direction. Step 6. After locating the highest flux density, lower the probe to make contact with the spherical magnet, using the Z axis stage to locate the maximum flux density in the Z axis direction. For more information, refer to CPSC's Standard Operating Procedure for calculating the flux index of small rare earth magnets.